putting on?
Ice.
No, but what is it? Is it lotion?
Is that yogurt lotion? Oh, aren't you beautiful? Oh, not on your eyes, honey, not on your eyes. You put it in your mouth. Not on your mouth, in your mouth. Eat it. I don't know if we should be laughing to encourage this. Open your mouth.
Oh, you're laughing.
I bet you do. How about this hand?
Oh my goodness. Honey, you eat it. Eat the yogurt.
It's special spa yogurt.
Is this a
Mommy.
beauty treatment? A secret beauty treatment that we could sell and make money from? Oh. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Mael, do you want to have a bath tonight? No. You know, you don't want to have a bath?
Oh, what's in your hair, Mael? Oh, is it special for your hair?
Oh, this is getting out of control.
Is it lotion? Oh, lotion.
Oh, look at that pigtail. Honey.